Okay, everyone's running around. Bob's leaving tomorrow. Hemi! There's Hemi. And there's Tank. Whoa, Tank! And that's Connie. Sophia! That's Sophia. She looks like she found a leaf or something. There goes Connie again. So Dasha trying to herd the puppies. There's Hemi. There's Sophia. Whoa! Mama caught her. That's not even your puppy, little Dasha. And then we got Lula here with Plum, I think. Nope, that's Tank. Go Tank! Go Tank! Go Tank! That's Magno. That's Tank. That's Plum.